Hey there, Digital Explorer, ready to learn a quick and fabulous way to save your cherished moments in the Google? So first of all, open the Google Photos app. Once you are here, tap on the profile button on the top right corner. Scroll down, click on Photos setting. Now click on Backup and enable this option so that the photos are present in the gallery will automatically backed up and it will be saved to your Google account. There is one more option here, mobile data usage. So if you want to back up the photos by using mobile data, then you can enable this option. For example, I select 10 MB data. Then my photo will be uploaded until 10 MB of data is consumed. Once 10 MB of data is consumed, then the photo would not be uploaded, or else you have the option to use unlimited data. Now there is another option, backup device folder. So now by default, only the photos that present in the camera roll of your gallery will be uploaded. But suppose if you want to upload and save photos that are present in other folders, for example like WhatsApp or Messenger, so then you can select those options from here also. So in this way, you are able to upload the photos that are present in your device to the Google account by using Google Photos application. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section, subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!